Welcome to sleepingdog.video. Today I wanted to show the Comica mic holder. It's model HR-WM. I am going to take the wind muff off and show you the unit without speaking. So, because I know if I speak, it's going to be too far away from my mouth. So, this is what it looks like. So, this is to show you what it sounds like, and I'm sitting back now like I'm a big news reporter or something, a big shot. And I am, you can put on here, you can put your own name plate. So if you have, sticker paper or however you're going to attach your printed little decal sign, whatever you call these, to put over it. This is the Comica one, but why advertise Comica when you could be advertising your own podcast network? So I like to turn the wind muff like this. I could have it like this and advertise Comica if they want to pay me for it. But why do that if they're not paying me? Advertise my own podcast, or channel. So I just wanted to say this is a aluminum one. I was thinking of getting the Rode wireless Pro one they sell. That's a all plastic design. It looked pretty sturdy and everything, but I wanted one with a little more heft so it really felt like a mic stand opposed to just getting some plastic thing and then putting your transmitter onto it. And this one's about between $30 and $35 on Amazon. The link will be either in the description, if I can figure out how to put links there. I haven't figured that out yet. I'm new to the Amazon affiliate links. I just signed up about a week ago. And I'm going to put it in, at least in the, I know how to do it through the, just putting a comment and then putting it in a comment. So it is, there's not much else to say. It's nice, sturdy aluminum, feels good in your hand. You can say you want to talk like this into the top of the top of the unit because that's where the mic is. Take this off again and show you. So since it depends on the type of mic you're using with any setup, this or any other type setup, it's where the best placement of your mouth. Sometimes talking on the side is better than talking directly on top of it. Right now I'm thinking directly on top because that's where the mic is. Now I don't know, I can try just talking. Now I'm talking from the side, and as you can see, I think it's a little bit lower volume because I'm talking from the side. Now I'm talking back on the top, and I can see that the volume's higher, so the top is probably good. Plus, it doesn't cover my face as much. And then if I stand up like this, or my back up, you can see if I had a logo, you can see what my logo looks like. And other than this right here, this screws off. And I believe it's supposed to go into a mic stand, but it doesn't fit. These are some of my holders for my mic stands. It doesn't fit and screw in. None of these fit. So my not recollection, but my analysis is that maybe because it's manufactured in China, that they have different mic stand thread sizes than we do in the U.S. So that might be why the threads don't seem to fit anything and what the purpose of it. It's great right now. There's no threads in the bottom. So it's great right now. If we knew what the thread size was, then I could go get a thread reducer on Amazon, and that would be additional cost. But I could do that to either a quarter 20 or to whatever the standard, which I don't remember the size, if it's 5/8 or what the size of a normal mic stand is. This should work on a mic stand. You really don't want to use it on a tripod stand. So quarter 20 is for a tripod stand, not for a mic stand. So I keep that in mind. So you want to get you want to find out what the correct mic stand and what the correct threads this was, and then get a reducer if they make one. And then it would probably work for a mic stand. So pretty much this is all I wanted to show. I do have, though, I found that I had this, and this never worked. This is Saramonic single channel, and it only cost $25 to Saramonic. Nothing that I say here they told me to write a review about, but I bought this, and I bought the single channel one for $25, and I bought, well, this one. This is my dual channel one that has a lightning connector on it, and now it doesn't work because it has a lightning connector on it, and I have an iPhone 16 Pro Max that only has USB-C. I tried using an adapter from lightning to USB-C, but that didn't work. But this one seems to work. I got to listen to the audio, but this seems to work, the Saramonic single channel. And as I said, at the time I bought it, a year or 2 years ago, it was only $25 US. Really cheap. It takes a 9-volt battery. And you do have to have some adapter like this. This is the one by Rode. That's a XLR and converts it internally to I don't know if it's a TRRS or TRS, but I'm plugging just a TRS cable into it. And then I do have this adapter, and I don't remember also if it's a TRS or TRRS in this thing. This might be a TRRS, but in any case, this is just the same thing, but in an adapter cable, if you wanted a longer cable. This, I'm going to try to figure out how to hook a hot shoe mount to this, so then I can hook it to I have this little adapter that's it's a hot shoe, but it's a little cube, and I can't show you because I don't want to. Well, maybe I can take it off of here. Let me try this. Take it off for a second. So let me put down my microphone for a second. Okay, so I showed you around what it looks like. It's a square unit that I'll have to see if I got it off Amazon, um, where I could maybe put a link for it. So that adapter is for the hot shoe. So it turns it into like a male part, so it'll go into a hot shoe. So that's a separate adapter. If you can see the top part, then the bottom, then I screwed it into the bottom part. I have a lot of adapters. One adapter, it doesn't work, so I use another adapter, then another adapter, then finally it's like turns out to be like this long, my adapters. But I try to keep them as short as possible. But that then, if I can put one of those and either double stick tape or glue it to the back of the Ceramonic, then the Ceramonic will be able to slide right on the hot shoe, as well as the receiver for my Rode Wireless Go. I'm really liking the handle setup. I have and been using my lapel mic that came with my kit for the Rode Wireless Go, Wireless Pro, not Go, Pro, and it's nice. I like it for hands-free operation, but I'm really liking this mic just to sit here and talk holding the mic. So this was about, again, 30 to somewhere between 30 and 35. I don't know if it was $33, but I think it's a good deal for what it is. So that's my review. This is John for sleepingdog.video.